Hey guys, welcome back, and I am in Grande Prairie. So yesterday I brought the kids home from BC all the way up to Alberta. It's like an 11-hour drive, but we made it. We also saw some bighorn sheep when we were on the road. That was so cool. We saw like 4 large herds and a couple small little herds, and we saw some caribou and a bunch of deer, tons of deer. And if you guys haven't seen this pillow, this thing is awesome. My mom made it for me, and apparently it was super difficult, but it looks like she did a great job. And I love it. It matches the van, it matches my YouTube channel name, and it just suits me. My little devil horn pillow is amazing. And as soon as I dropped the kids off, obviously I didn't leave town. I stayed right here, right in town, so that I could go right back and I can go visit them anytime I want. I have one thing I need to do here in Grande Prairie, and once I'm done that, I will be packing up and heading out of town. We're gonna find some forestry campsites. We hit the border yesterday. I stopped, took a little video just so I can actually have proof that I am living in Grande Prairie right now. And I am in Alberta, and it is flat. As soon as you drive past, what was it, Grand Cache, I think it's called, or Grande Cache, the mountains just disappeared. And it's like, well, that's what I like looking at. I like looking at mountains. So there's only a few things we're gonna do here in town. That's mountain biking and going to look for a lake so we can enjoy some sounds from nature instead of highway sounds and rolling diesels and everything else that comes with living in town. But we did find some public access land, and I have a few other ideas where I can find some more areas that I can sleep. So that's not an issue, save some money there. But we're gonna hit the road and we're gonna go and play with drones with my son. We've got a new toy to play with. I've already opened it up. I have not charged it. Maybe I should do that right now. Let's plug it in for the very first time, which apparently, according to the book, activates the drone. Oh yeah, so there we go. We've got it charging. So maybe we'll actually get some footage today of Grande Prairie from up there, because there's no mountain to look down at Grande Prairie. So this is going to be a lifesaver. Thank goodness I picked this up, because it's going to be difficult to actually record anything if you can't see anything, because there's no mountains, and I miss my mountains. I'm going to say that right now. I'm going to be very happy to go back to the mountains for sure. While we're at it, we'll plug in the remote just in case, because usually they only come like 50% charged, and that's just to prolong the battery life. And then once you plug them in, fully charge them, and then you'll have full access to playing with them. Right now, if I played with them, I'd only get like half the time, so it's good to charge your stuff when you first buy them, including your phone, dude. But that's it for now, guys. We'll see you guys back here in a little while. I'm gonna hang out with my kids, and we'll see you guys when I'm done. Welcome back. So I was hanging out with my son today, played with the drones, got it all figured out. This DJI Mini 2 SE. I love this camera. It's supposed to be like one of the best ones on the market right now. And I'm so happy to actually get my hands on it and fly it and get some footage for you guys. So stay tuned for that. I know we're in a flat area of Alberta, but you know, when I actually get to some cool places, we'll actually get some cool shots of Alberta or British Columbia, or mostly Canada, to be honest, because I'll be heading up north to the Yukon probably in the next few weeks, maybe Northwest Territories, not 100% sure. I do want to find places that I can fish, mountain bike, and hike without, you know, a lot of trouble trying to get my van into somewhere it's not supposed to be, or venturing too far north that there's just no mountain biking trails. So browsing around Grande Prairie, I haven't really found many mountain bike trails, and All Trails app on my phone doesn't show many places with some specific mountain bike trails. But we're down here at the bike park because it was recommended to me, so we're going to check that out here in a little while. But first, I'm hungry. I'm going to eat some food. Got some Caesar salad ready, and I've got my asparagus cooking away. I'm going to enjoy my dinner, and then we're going to head over there and check out the bike park. Looks like I came at the right perfect time. What a beautiful sunset. And that's gonna end my day for today. I'm gonna go hang out with my kids for half an hour or so, have some ice cream, and we'll catch you guys in the morning. See you guys in bed. decided just to go back to my public land access, because legally I can stay here up to 14 days or 15 or 21 days. I can't remember the rules. I think it's 14 days. But I figured, you know, if there's 3 other people sleeping here, this was a safe spot to sleep. So, well, that is another reason why I need to go browse around Grande Prairie so that I can find other places to sleep. Because I don't want to overload this area every day that I'm hanging out. So it's kind of just been really windy, so we pulled out the laptop, we started doing some work, did a little video editing, doing little taxes, getting everything taxed away. So I got my taxes figured out, so that was cool. Like I said, it's been super windy, so we pulled out the electric blanket, plugged it in, turned off the diesel heater. The sun's been blasting away, keeping the van warm. I'm gonna make another cup of tea, have some lunch, and I suppose probably just go for a little drive. Check out Grande Prairie for a little bit, and maybe find a new location to sleep at. But for now, we're just gonna hide away, because tonight is supposed to snow, and we don't have snow tires on the van anymore, so we gotta be careful. But it seems like it's the only time we're supposed to get snow. It should warm up in the next couple days, and we can actually continue going and doing some more adventurous stuff out in the van. But I figured that's gonna be it, because this video is already 10 minutes long. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys next episode. Please like the video so that other people can, you know, find my content, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I've noticed quite a few people that watch my content aren't subscribed to the channel. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.